this moment. You're about to hear how lies, betrayal are dangerous. This moment is the moment of trust and belief. This is the moment.
Good day everyone, we are the Group 1. My name is Angelina Anchada, together with my group mates, Rodame Asuncion, Christine Balucon, John Verdaje, and Diana Glyza Bautista. We will be discussing about Wainwright Industries Incorporation. Me and Diana will give the brief history and the award received of Wainwright Industries Incorporation. Rodame will discuss the performance excellence and organizational behavior of the company. John Dwight will talk about the implementation of tools and techniques used for performance excellence, and Christine will discuss the result after application of tools and techniques for performance excellence. Wainwright Industries. The company is headed by Arthur D. Wainwright, his brother Nelson Wainwright, and Vice President David Robinson. And this is the logo of Wainwright Industries Incorporation. Wainwright Industries Incorporation, provider of manufactured products and inventory management services. The company's business is comprised of two core competencies: manufacturing and service. Manufacturing division provides metal stamping, machining, welding, custom fabrication, and tool and die services to companies in the automotive, aerospace, defense, and construction industries. The service division is comprised of third-party logistics services such as integrated inventory management, kitting, sequencing, process engineering, and quality control.
Everyone, I'm Diana Glyza Bautista and I will be discussing the brief history of Wainwright Industries.
Brief history of Wainwright Industries. The Wainwright family established the company in 1947 with one stamping press in a rented corner of a warehouse in St. Louis. During 1970s and 1980s, Wainwright lost millions of sales. Operations slowed to 3 days a week, and tensions grew between employees and management. The manufacturer of stamped and machine parts for the automotive, aerospace, and other industries launched an innovative employee management program in 1991, making safety the company's number one priority, followed by internal customer satisfaction, external customer satisfaction, quality, and business performance. Since then, work-related accidents have dropped more than 70%. Freight costs have slipped to less than 1% from more than 2.5% of sales. Profit is up, and the company has shaved $1.5 million off its $6 million debt. Wainwright Industries sales will reach an estimated $40 million in 1996, almost double the total in 1992. Wainwright Industries is a 1994 Baldrige Award winner. Wainwright Industries is the recipient of numerous quality awards, including the General Motors Mark of Excellence Award, Ford Motor Company's Q1 Preferred Supplier Award, and the IBM Rochester Quality Award.
Every company has a story to tell. Behind those awards are various difficulties with regards to choosing the right approach that would complement the organizational environment. Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I am Rodame Asuncion, and I will tell you about the operations in Wainwright Industries through their performance excellence and organizational behavior.
So first detrimental factor in attaining quality is the facility. For that aspect, they are known for having modern and specialized machinery. This is to achieve the right shape without sacrificing the total design of metals in conformance with the customer's needs and requirements imposed commonly by those in automotive, aerospace, defense, and construction industries who chose Wainwright to be their supplier. Ford is an example. Second is their people that is composed of experienced designers, engineers, skilled tradesmen, and quality-oriented employee. They hire such people or facilitate training among existing employees to ensure that the processes are properly performed in all divisions, especially in metal stamping and welding, where great knowledge is needed, because if not, a lot of metals might be wasted and the health of workers may put into risk as well. Next is the use of Malcolm Baldrige Awards criteria as a roadmap. Drawing input from all levels of the company, the top management team led the process by setting goals, developing implementation strategies, and establishing key quality standards. Initially, the company emphasized three principles, which is employee empowerment, customer satisfaction, and continuous improvement. As a creative way of demonstrating the importance of working together, the company adopted the duck as its mascot, based on the fact that the ducks fly in formation as a means of supporting one another in flight. In addition, whenever a duck falls out of formation, it suddenly feels the drag and resistance of trying to fly alone and quickly returns to the flock. Wainwright used this analogy to support the concepts of teamwork and employee empowerment, which were integral parts of the company's quality improvement efforts. Moving on, the company practices the traditional command and control and fear-based leadership. This is to emphasize the importance of chain of command and hierarchy, to draw in employees' mind the differences among them. This approach can enforce employees to better their performance because if not, a punishment may be imposed. Sales has been stable for years, not until 1970s came. Income declined, operations slowed down, and tension between managers and employees grew. The fear-based leadership has resulted to employees not giving a feedback because the environment was stopping them in speaking up their observations. Problem then was not addressed. Despite of the promotion of employee empowerment and teamwork, crisis still made its way because the implementation was all in the management and opinions of employees have not been taken into consideration. Relationship between two parties affected the quality of products and services they provide. What does it take to attain ever-improving quality? That is now the question. Well, the solutions for the mentioned problem will be discussed in the next part.
Thank you for that wonderful presentation, Ms. Rodami Asuncion. I would like now to discuss about the implementation of the tools and techniques used for performance excellence of the Wainwright Industries, a powerful example of cultural change within the company. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is John Wainwright, and I will be your reporter. The implementation of the tools and techniques used for performance excellence. The Wainwright Industries boasts its name by the sincere belief and trust in its people as its culture. To achieve this cultural change, they established personal requirements that employees must characterize. Starting with number 1, the Internal Customer Satisfaction Index. It produces the same key performance indicators as its External Customer Satisfaction Index counterpart and measures the effectiveness within and between Wainwright departments in communication, delivery, quality, and responsiveness. The second part is training. Training is an integral part of business at Wainwright Industries, and the company budgets up to 7% of its annual payroll towards training its associates and managers. The third part is the continuous improvement process. The continuous improvement process is followed by all associates for submitting, processing, and implementing suggestions and defining awards. The system emphasizes the application of soft technology, 100% participation by the associates, and 1.25 suggestions implemented per employee per week. The fourth part is associate empowerment. Okay, this is the most critical part. Wainwright believes that people are more important than any manufacturing process and that all products can be produced as best in class with the right people approach. Furthermore, Wainwright empowers its personnel by giving them the tools and capabilities needed to improve any process at all. And number 5, last but not the least, is the safety first. A safe environment is the first and foremost, the most important priority at Wainwright Industries. Because safety is not a program but a process that includes ongoing training, safe work practices, properly guided machinery, clean facilities, teamwork, and management support. All these attributes combined make up for the cultural change of the Wainwright Industries. And that would be all for now. Thank you.
Hey everyone, I am Christine Balucon and today I will be discussing to you about the results of the implementation for the Wainwright Industries. So here are the results after the implementation for the Wainwright Industries. First, safety. Safer processes were met in terms of metal stamping, machining, welding, etc. Second, internal customer satisfaction. Satisfaction of staffs were ensured according to the perceptions and impression of internal service, be it communication or responsiveness. Thirdly, external customer satisfaction. These were met as external customers purchased products from the company. Fourth, design quality. This has improved in time and was able to attract customers since the quality were not compromised as they also improve the visual quality of products. Ultimately, business performance. These results paved way for the company to emerge as an industry leader and has earned the status of preferred supplier to a growing quality-conscious customers and has received special recognition from General Motors, Ford, and IBM Rochester. So in conclusion, Wainwright's decision to engage into a cultural change is a one great and wise move. They were not only able to produce quality products and services, but they were also able to improve the relationship between the employees and management. It is indeed hard to make changes, to again start from near zero, but if it is the way to invest in the long-term benefit of the supplier and consumer, then it is worth the risk. It is essential for a company to receive feedback and use it as a stepping stone or a guiding map to further improve their processes. In relation to us, as accountancy students, we should not be afraid of change. Let's look at change as an open door for us to improve, be wiser and better, just like Wainwright's Industries. So, that's all for our report. Again, we are the Group 1. Thank you and good afternoon.